Hello, on this live stream broadcast, we're going to discuss whether or not you're on the road less traveled when it comes to your law firm marketing. And if you are, hopefully I can help you get back on track and get your law firm marketing where it's working successfully and bringing you a steady stream of clients through your online resources. Now, when you think of the road less traveled, I'm sure you think of a picture, maybe something like this. And let's make those slides just a little bigger for you. But you probably think of something when it comes to the road less traveled, a picture like this. You're walking in the woods and you see a path that diverges, which probably makes you think of the famous quote from Robert Frost that two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. That's obviously a famous quote from Robert Frost's poem, and people use it oftentimes to talk about whether you're on the right track or on the wrong track. But sometimes the road less traveled by is the one that makes all the difference, meaning sometimes you get benefits from taking the road less traveled. Now, when it comes to marketing your law firm online, you kind of have to choose. When I think of online marketing and law firm marketing these days, it's pretty much a given that you have to be online. If you're maybe just doing networking or passing out business cards or going to business lunches, first of all, we know right now at this point in time, with it being the middle of COVID-19 in the United States, there's not a lot of in-person networking meetings, lunches, anything like that, even going on. So you pretty much have to be dependent on other forms of marketing to get leads for your law firm. And I think even before the COVID-19, pandemic started, it's pretty much essential that you need to be marketing your law firm online. Excuse me. And that can be, you don't have to be doing extensive work as far as spending hours and hours every week. There are strategies that you can use to market your law firm online, but it's pretty much a given from the standpoint of looking not only what's going on now with the pandemic, but into the future. Being online and having a good presence and a focused presence online with regard to your law firm marketing is going to help you have that stream of clients coming into you all the time, and a stream of your ideal clients, not meaning just someone walking in the door, kicking the tires, wanting to know what you do as far as your law firm goes, but having pointed legal clients coming to you who are trying to hire you because they need help. And that's what you want. And that's what every law firm needs. So think about it. It's now time to choose which way will you go. Okay. So if you look at this picture, the picture on the left as you're looking at it is what I think of with regard to attorneys and law firms when they hear the term marketing online. A lot of them are just like, oh my gosh, I don't want to hear. They think about the storms, all the problems that go along with it. That's not really the way it should be, nor the way it is if you're using a good process and a good system with regard to marketing your firm online. You look at the guy on the right, you can see he's got his two fingers up, peace sign. He's having fun. Everything's all good. That's how it should be with regard to your online marketing. But the question is, will you be like the guy on the left and just continue to try to ignore everything that's happening with, the not only just the economy, but marketing in general and everything that's going online? Are you going to try to ignore those platforms, ignore that AI and the resources and algorithms and the platforms that like LinkedIn and Facebook and YouTube give you? Or are you going to be like the guy on the right and use a good system and get it done so you can be marketing your law firm effectively? So you've got a path, you got to choose one of the two. do online marketing and do it right and have a stream of clients coming in, or be like the ostrich, put your head in the sand and just hope things will change? Well, it's funny because my story started with regard to my own firm as well as online marketing. Uh, just over 10 years ago in 2009, I had started my firm in 2008. And in 2009, I saw almost immediately that I was going to have to do something different. I looked kind of like the guy on the left one day when I was just had my head in my hands, trying to figure out what was going on, trying to get it right, as well as trying to make sure ultimately that you can pay the bills and you have good revenues coming in for your law firm. And over the period of the last 11 years or so, got involved with online marketing. I've worked with some of the top online marketers in the world, and I've had and do have some great mentors here in the United States that help me stay up on what's going on with regard to online marketing, as well as just marketing strategies in general. Because if you have good strategies, overall strategies, your tactics, such as, Facebook, or now there's, TikTok and Snapchat, I don't worry so much about the tactics. You have to know about the tactics, but overall, you need to know about the strategies, because the tactics are going to change as far as what platform to use, as the years go by. But you have to have good strategies to know how to find your ideal clients online and then attract them to get them into your law firm. So over the last 11 years, I've taken that journey. I've learned, I've paid the tens of thousands of dollars to have mentors and coaching and training, and put in the long hours to learn this stuff. And that's why I want to help you on this journey, so that it can shorten the time frame on which you can be effective with your law firm marketing, as well as ensuring that you can get ideal clients coming into your door and be revenue positive, so you don't have to be like me spending 10, 12 years trying to figure it all out. But over the last few years have definitely figured it out, and it's just been phenomenal as far as how things have been going. And now that's why we're trying to help you through Martindale Digital to help other attorneys and law firms get their marketing, so you can look like the picture on the right, where you can kick back, have your hands behind you. And so you want to think about a way that you can change your future, where when you're thinking about online marketing and digital marketing, that you're not like the guy on the left anymore, that you're more like the guy on the right, where you're like, yes, this works. Everything's great. I really appreciate it. And that's how we at Martindale Digital, and me in particular as an attorney of over 25 years, as well as a digital marketer for over 10 years, I want to make it easier, or at least have the strategies that make it simpler for law firms and attorneys to be able to implement those strategies and get clients coming into their firm on a regular basis. So when it comes time to marketing your law firm online, it's time for you to choose. It's time for you to pick a path. Are you going to continue to close your ears, hope it goes away? Because the internet is not really going away. We all know it's here to stay. And look at these happy faces of people who are working online, understand the processes are going online. And if you follow the right process, have the right mentors and the right teachers, maybe this will be you someday, where you can be sitting on the beach, enjoying your computer. Maybe you don't have a coat and tie on like this guy does when you're at the beach. But when you have good systems and good processes, and you're using the internet to your benefit, you can pretty much work from anywhere. And if you can get your online marketing strategies going well, this picture can be you. So think about it. Which path are you going to take? Right now, the road less traveled is more putting your head in the sand, covering your ears, hoping this goes away. And the majority of law firms and attorneys are understanding that they need to be online, and they have to be online if they want to survive. So think of this picture, think of how you're going to be sitting on the beach and still being able to run your law firm. And that can help you avoid the road less traveled and go down the right path with regard to your law firm marketing. I hope that gives you some insight into what you can be doing with regard to your law firm marketing. But if you'd like to set up a free consultation with us, you can always go to martindeledigital.com. I've put the website down below on this video, and that's a way you can sign up for a free consultation with me to just sit down over the phone, or obviously on Zoom is how we like to do it, so we can share screens and talk. But basically look at what you're doing right now with your law firm online and help you get the strategies in place that can help your law firm go to the next level with regard to your online marketing. Hope you enjoyed this live stream broadcast. We do it every day at 5 o'clock Central, so come back and join us. If you like this video, please leave us a comment down below. If you're watching it on Facebook or YouTube or maybe even Twitter, just leave us a comment and tell us what you think about this video, as well as some ideas on some other videos that you'd like to see from us at Martindale Digital. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow at 5 o'clock, and I hope you have a blessed day.